Good evening, Anne.
Good evening.
Thanks a lot for accepting to our invitation. I would like to some questions that your fans would love to know.
Okay.
Adam Sandler stars as John Klasky, one of the best chefs in America. John is a good man who is solidly devoted to his family, quietly putting the wants and needs of his family above his own. In casting Sandler in the role, writer-director Brooks felt Sandler could handle the dramatic aspect of the part. A new Sandler personality and strength of character would bring the right tones to the role of John. Already,
Yes.
what was your first step towards becoming a stand-up comedian?
When I was 17, is spontaneous to the stage at a Boston comedy club. I found I was a natural comic.
Okay, do you have a nickname?
Yes, Anna.
Do you think your character is a hero?
No, honestly, this feels so much like my brother, this character. He is his family's hero.
Your character is really close to his daughter and knows what to say to help her out. Did you get any similar advice from your family growing up?
I never had a speech from my father. This is what you want to do or shouldn't do. But I just learned to he led by example. My father wasn't perfect. He had a temper. I took some of that. He was snap, but the older he got, he started calming down. He learned about life also, but the thing that he taught my whole family was just that family is the most important thing.
Okay. Sam, can you speak Spanish?
How do I speak Spanish?
Yeah.
No, too well. Paz Vega taught me a few words that if people weren't nice to me, I could tell them a few things.
For example?
Idiota.
Did you get your sense of humor from your dad?
Well, part of my father having a temper like to me, developing a sense of humor, trying to calm the old man down.
Do you know what the audience want?
I don't know any formulas, but I don't know that. I don't know. I watched this movie, I got to say, when I first saw English. First night I watched it, I had no idea the audience was going to laugh as much as they did. I read the script and I laughed, but I didn't know it was this funny. And I didn't know it was going to be an experience for an audience to be kind of a roller coaster, laughing and emotional.
Okay. Who was working with Paz Vega, Cialoni and Cloris Litzman?
Of course, I like hanging out with them. I love seeing them on the seat. They're just good people.
Do you ever think about winning an Oscar?
No, I don't know nothing about that. That wasn't the reason I wasn't keep growing up thinking. One day I'll get an Oscar and make a speech. That wasn't on my mind. I want to just do the best work I can do, and that's what I try to do.
Finally, what is next for you?
I don't know now, but I need to know a movie called Click. It's a comedy, but I'm not sure yet.
Okay, Sam, I have finished the interview. I wish you a lot lucky in your career.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.